Okay, hello everyone. Today we will begin our week 6, book A run through. So, week 6, we're still talking about geometry. So, now let's look at our question 26. We have a big square and four semicircle. And I want to calculate the shaded area. Actually, the shaded area is just the big square minus the 4 semicircle. And here I have already labeled the radius and the center in our picture. After that, you will see this one is perpendicular to this length. And also perpendicular to this one, this one, this one, and this one. So here is the center of this semicircle, and here is the center of this semicircle, and here is the center of this bigger semicircle, and here is the center of this semicircle. Now, actually, the big square, the area is just 4 times 4 equals to 16. And so how can we find out this radius? We first look at this radius, right? So this radius plus this radius is just this part and this part. And we know this one actually is the midpoint of this line. So this one is called middle line here. Actually, the length of this middle line is half of the square's side. So this one is 4. So half of it should be 2. And each part is same. So this one, the radius is 1. And this one, the radius is 1. So also, now this one, we know this one is, and this point is also this line, and this line is midpoint. So this is also a kind of midline. So midline is half of the side length. So this length is just 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. And now let's look at this one. Maybe it's hard for you to calculate, right? So actually it's 4, 4, and this one is AB. The length AB should equals to 4 root 2. And this one is just 1/4 of the whole length. So actually, the radius of this semicircle is just root 2. Okay, so now let's look at how to calculate the shaded area. The shaded area is just equals to 16 minus this one, pi 1 square. And we have 2 this semicircle, so times 2. And don't forget, pi r square is the whole circle. This one is a semi circle, so divide by 2. And plus this one, yeah, pi r square, so pi times 2 over 2. And this one plus pi 2 square times 4 over 2. After that, it equals to 16 minus pi plus pi plus 2 pi. So the answer is just 16 minus 4 pi.